How to sign out single Gmail account from multiple accounts in computer or laptop. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can sign out your single Gmail account if you have logged into multiple accounts in your computer or laptop or desktop or PC. Now simply head into your Google Chrome or any browser and search in for gmail.com, and this will take you straight to Gmail here. Simply search in gmail.com and your Gmail will open up here, or you can open up through the link here. I just typed in incorrectly, as you can see. Now once your Gmail loads up here, now you can see here my Gmail is loading up. If you click on your profile icon at the top right here, you'll be able to see how many accounts you are logged into. Now if you have logged into multiple accounts, you'll get the option sign out of all accounts, and you can sign out of all accounts and then later you can log in back the account that you want to sign in. However, if you want to log out of single account, what you can do is, suppose here there are two different accounts, and now suppose I want to log out of this account, or you want to log out this account, a single account. What you want to do is log into this account onto another device, log into your phone or log into another device that you can, and once you log into that Gmail account, to this Gmail account on that account, what you want to do is click on manage your Google account, and once you head into this page here, what you want to do is head into security. And on security, scroll down below here, and here you can see logged in. Now simply click on manage all devices, and what you want to do is select the device, select this device that you want to log out of, and then select on it, and then you can log it out of here. Or what you can do is scroll down further below here, and here you can see from you want to log in from your phone, and once you log in from your phone, you want to click on sign out. Now here, if you want to sign out of this desktop, simply head into your phone and open this page, and then here if you head into Windows here, you'll get the manage option. Unfortunately, you won't be able to sign out from here. You'll have to head into your phone, and if you open it up, you'll get a sign out option that you'll get similar like this. So simply click on sign out and it'll be signed out from here. So this way you can sign out from single Gmail account from multiple accounts in your computer. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.